Welcome. If you want to connect to the Wi-Fi network in Microsoft Surface Duo, you have to open the settings, go for the network and the internet, tap on the Wi-Fi, turn on Wi-Fi by tapping on the switcher, and then you will find in this place all available networks. I'm going to connect for Zenfone 7 Pro. You can click here to show your password, tap on the field and input your password. Next, select connect. Now just wait a little bit. As you can see, we are finally connected. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.